Servisyo!
The League of Public Employment Service Office Managers, Cebu Chapter, INC, or Lepasam Cebu new set of officers for 2025 to 2028 took their oath of office on September 15, 2025 at the Cebu Provincial Capital with Governor Pami Laez, Barry Cuatro as administering officer, and later on that same day also took their oath at Golden Prince Hotel with the Regional Director of the Department of Labor and Employment Regional Office 7 Attorney Royale Bunafi as administering officer. The oath-taking ceremonies are solemn and meaningful events that mark a new chapter of service and leadership. The Lepasam Cebu officers took their oath to commit to advancing employment services, empowering communities, and strengthening partnerships. As Governor Barry Cuatro graciously led the oath-taking rites, she reminded everyone that true leadership is not measured by titles alone, but by the genuine service and compassion extended to the people. Her guidance and dedication continue to inspire both leaders and stakeholders to work hand in hand in building a stronger and more resilient Cebu. Her presence at this ceremony is a symbol of encouragement, trust, and unity, values that guide every officer as they take on their new responsibilities.
Of state your address. Having been elected to the position of the League of Public Employment Service Office Managers, Cebu Chapter Incorporated, otherwise known as Lepasam Cebu, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my present position, that I have read and clearly understood, that I will abide by the Constitution and bylaws of Lepasam Cebu. I further swear that I will support, promote, and implement the employment programs and initiative of the provincial government of Cebu, as well as that of the Department of Labor and Employment. And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, congratulations.
His words serve as an inspiration for everyone to continuously strengthen public employment services, modernize systems, and promote programs that create sustainable opportunities for every Cebuano worker and job seeker.
Okay, I have three things, no? Una is that I would like to congratulate sa atong mga bago nga benepisyo pagtungdanan sa atong division, especially to my Kuya King Francisco, matod pa Mr. Trabaho. Kitang tanan Mr. Trabaho o Miss and Mrs. Trabaho yuta kay masanata sa peso. Ako makumanan sa Department of Labor Employment, atong mga hepe sa Lacanang probinsya, atong division chief sa DCSD, kung sa itong mga bisita, kung doon natin mga bisita karong gabi una. Once again, mayong gabi sa tanan. Okay? So, una, gusto ko ihangog, ibalita sa tanan nga sa 2026, mauod yun ang dako nga dako nga proyekto o atong panglantaw sa 2026. Region 7 will host the National Peso Congress umaniining National Peso Congress sa October. So I'd like to thank sa mga officers sa region naghatag yun kadasig nga kita ang host for 2026 No, dili ni sayon nga tahas dako ning trabaho para kanatong tanan. O ipasalig nako nga ang Department of Labor Employment usag yun sa mga musuporta o amo din panikamutan nga mahatag nato ang eksakto nga serbisyo, eksakto nga pagpangandam kay pila gagoy 1 year, no? Usa ka tuig nga pagpangandam uwang ganda nga muhos ta og National Peso Congress. Okay, so this time, napunta nga kamupod, suportaan ko ninyo kay ako ning damgo isip Osaka Regional Director. Sa tanan nga mga ipangandoy sa Osaka Regional Director, kini na lang yun ang wa na ko mahimo sa region. Okay, kay karon tang tuiga, okay, kung wa pa ko mabalhin diri sa Region 7, ako ipunta ang host sa 2025 National Peso Congress dito sa Tagaytay City, sa Calabarzon. Pero kay gibalhin man ko nila diri sa Region 7, upawi ko tungod kay napo naman po katuig, no? Mula ba ang 2025 and extend sa 2026 napo nakatuig nga ang Region 7 maoy nang host og National Peso Congress. Ayaw na lang isas kamo itong ingon nga naka-experience mo kay ngayon ko nga ibuwag na mo pero kung natupatuloy ko yan ayaw na lang mag-isa. Okay, so hinundumi na naman nga 2016 dirita sa Cebu ihimo nato ang National Peso Congress. So very timely next year ato uning paghimuon. Okay, so kita ang host sa 2026 National Peso Congress. Okay, so pakpakan ako ni sa naragit, okay? Pero malingkamot ang ato ning mapangandaman sa igong panahon. Okay? So, second is that ang atong paghimuon kining atong mga programa nga gihimo nato sa peso o sa Department of Labor and Employment. Bawo mo, sa akong ikistorya sa TESDA, uguban pa mga insas gobyerno, ato ning ilunsad, no? Atong ilaunch ang gitawag na to Project 20,000 Jobs. Ngano magyud nga mag-target magyud ta og 20,000 jobs. Kanus aman ni 20,000 jobs, kay kini 20,000 jobs ato din panikamutan na ato din mag-abot before end of the Marcos administration sa 2028. Magtinabangay ta kay kung dili ko ta mag-target, mura man lang og kanang kamuha na lang natong trabaho, no? So, ato may align sa atong mantra karon, no, nga ang peso o ang dole, okay? Mao gyud ang dangpanan sa mga kaisuunan nato nga nangita o trabaho o panginabuhian. Okay? So, malingon nako, dili nato sila patulong sa assessor's office, ha? Okay? Basta ngayon gani asa man ka day ngita ikaw ko ka-applyan ng trabaho ba? Dili, halita sa peso. Nga naman, tungod kay kung wa kay trabaho, ako ka. Kung wa kay panginabuhian, ako ka. Mao ginay atong permisundon. Unya, the bigger picture is our Project 20,000 Jobs. Okay? So, portaan na to ang atong komunidad. So, that's the second item gusto nato nga ipaabot ninyo. Nga ang dole o ang atong peso. Okay? Managtambayayong ta aron nga atong makaigsunan diha sa atong mga kalusuran makakita din sila og trabaho o panginabuhian. Okay? The direction of the Department of Labor and Employment right now mao gini akong direktiba sa akong mga kaubanan. Okay? Atong suportaan gawas sa employment facilitation kay mao man gina ang atong una nga step. Okay? So una nga strategy, una nga solusyon sa problema sa kalisod, trabaho yun. Okay? Mutuman na dili. Okay? So trabaho yun ang solusyon para sa kalisod. Amen? Amen. So kung dili makatrabaho, okay? Kay doon na pa yung mga problema o kinahanglan pag-skills kung sa kadihaan, ang atong isunod ang panginabuhian. To tell you honestly, nagsugwa pag yun na ang pondo sa dunia. sa livelihood. Ang nanggabitabang ninyo. Mangita ta sa ating mga kaisuunan. Kay sa ako nang ingon, hagit ako ninyo. Kay bawa pa mo kung pinay-jobless sa atong komunidad. Diba? So una mo natutong dito na ayon sa kalisod. Ang politika naara na. Okay? So dili kinahanglan tanan ang atong tabangan. Hanuman, kung kay limited po ang atong resources. Let us just strategize and of course, target the beneficiaries katong yung priority. Sa pagbisita nako sa probinsya sa Cebu, I talked to Governor Pam and I told her, Ma'am, usap yun sa akong tuyo personal yanin ko ni mo is akong ihangyo, Ma'am, ibalik ang kadasig sa peso sa probinsya sa Cebu. Okay, so dako ka siya o kadinga nga ngano di ay naunsa day ang Public Employment Service Office sa Cebu Province. So for a very few years siguro back, no, medyo nagkalaay. So this time I expect, no, labi na sa itong officer sa Lipason, tabangan na to para mabalik, no, kay dako ni siya o tampo labi na sa 2026 na itong plano to host the National Peso Congress. Okay? So those are two important things akong ipadayaghan ninyo. And of course, no, direksyon sa Department of Labor and Employment, ang akong direksyon karon labi na sa mga vulnerable sector, ang atong mga mag-uuma o atong mga mangingisda.
Alongside our governor, we also recognize the invaluable support of Regional Director Attorney Royal Bunafi of the Department of Labor and Employment Region 7, whose message reaffirmed the importance of collaboration between the national government and local organizations. Each officer, through this oath, accepts the challenge of becoming a voice for the people, a bridge for opportunities, and a leader who is dedicated to uplifting the lives of others. This occasion also reflects the spirit of solidarity, where government officials, leaders, and stakeholders come together for one purpose: to empower the workforce and to ensure that every Cebuano has access to decent work, equal opportunities, and a brighter future.
Direction lagi chart para sa since this is a membership organization lang sa Tanang Peso sa Cebu Province. Number one at the affairs as members. Sila may support sila at the same time ilang mga programs ibigay sa lines siya sa kani kaayuhan plano sa provincial. And then i-aim mo na ako pagtapos sa mga peso cases sila yung professional institutionalize po sila ay better yun mga professionalize mga peso cases. But just mga programs and services Department of Labor and Employment muna yung mga tagaan sa what yun tagaan katumanan plano sa national government.
Sir, kami mga NGO lang based or private sector?
Yes, not a private sector based which are mga schools, school based. So parang ano sila GPO or job placement office. So schools na sila kung sila part, iyakot sila sa peso.
With Governor Barry Q. Atro's unwavering leadership and Director Buena Fe's steadfast commitment, this oath-taking becomes more than a ceremony. It becomes a celebration of unity, responsibility, and shared vision. As the event draws to a close, we are reminded that the oath is not merely spoken words, but a pledge of duty and responsibility. It is a commitment to serve with excellence, to lead with honor, and to uphold the values that strengthen our communities. Today marks the beginning of a renewed journey for Lepasam Cebu, one that is guided by integrity, driven by unity, and inspired by the unwavering support of our beloved Governor Pamela "Pam S. Bari, Q. Witro, and Dole 7 Regional Director Attorney Roy L. Buenafe. Indeed, this oath-taking is a symbol of hope, service, and leadership, a commitment that will continue to light the way for the Cebuano, no people toward progress and a better tomorrow.
Kayo hapon sa tanan, medyo nagan yun ang atong oath-taking ceremony karon tungkol kay nagsapaw-sapaw yun. Kunya ipakalitan pa may patawag sa secretary because na yung mga urgent concern si SEC because budget hearing na kunya na yung mga concern sa mga dagkong regions appeal ta. So nalangan ta dito po sa taas, doon na po tayo Kabuhayan Awards, no? Sunod po, I hope kanong mga biso po, himo po tayo mga kabuhayan sa atong mga LGUs, even on school base, no? Atong mga tabangan ng atong mga community. But now, siguro, no? Ready na pa siguro ang atong mga newly elected officers sa Lipisaw. Magdawat sa hakit sa pangatungdanan o serbisyo alang sa komunidad sa atong mga kapeso o atong ka-GPO. Okay? So, hindi na tayo maglangay. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. This is your oath of office. Okay? So, I state your name. Piso Manager of having been elected as your position, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully and consistently fulfill my duties and responsibilities with integrity, accountability, transparency, and a deep sense of public service, and to uphold the Association's Constitution and bylaws. I further swear that I will support and implement the programs and services of the Department of Labor and Employment, and ensure that employment and welfare services are delivered efficiently, ethically, and equitably to the people. And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations to all of you.
Once again, let us all give a warm round of applause for our newly elected LAPASM officers. May you lead with commitment and excellence as you fulfill your mandate in advancing the goals of LAPASM. Once again, congratulations, and we wish you a successful and meaningful term of service. President, Mr. Kim Francisco. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Good evening, everyone. Maayong gabi ka natong tanan. Akong pagyumpo sa liderato sa itong Dole 7, Attorney RD Roy Buenafe, atong magpakay. Pag-uwan ang tanang mga hepe o taga Dole Region 7, atong mga miyembro sa Lipisaw. First of all, allow me to thank you for the trust you have given me to serve as the new president of our League of Peso Managers. I accept this role with humility and with a full heart. We all know that being a peso manager is not an easy task. Every day, we face job seekers with different stories, employers with different needs, and communities with different challenges. But one thing unites us. We share the same mission: to open doors of opportunity and to give hope through decent and meaningful work. As your president, I commit to working hand in hand with all of you. I cannot do this alone. To keep our league united and strong, to make sure our programs remain relevant and responsive, and to continue building partnerships that will benefit our job seekers and employers alike. Most importantly, we will enhance our service to our Lepesum Cebu members through the provision of incentives and other benefits for all our members. I may not have all the answers, but together, I believe we have the strength, the skills, and the passion to make a real difference. So let us move forward as one PESO, one family, serving with compassion and integrity, as this is our shared commitment to the people we serve. Daghang salamat o padayon ta sa atong maayo o kinasing-kasing nga panerbisyo. Lepesum Cebu.
The new set of officers of Lepesum Cebu are as follows. Let this oath-taking be a catalyst not just for change in leadership, but for a renewed movement that reaffirms Lepesum Cebu's role as an indispensable partner in inclusive development. Let it spark conversations that lead to action, programs that create impact, and partnerships that foster lasting progress. Moreover, this event also provided a rare but powerful space to reflect on what it truly means to be a public servant in today's fast-paced and often complex world. Genuine public service requires not only competence and professionalism, but also empathy, perseverance, and the courage to challenge the status quo for the greater good.